Hello everyone, I'm Gabriel. We are a family of 3 who love to go into adventures. Emily and Papa are fond of filming our trips and eventually decided to share it with you all. We hope to inspire you and join our journey. We are the family side trip. Come on guys, it's gonna be fun.
Once upon a time,
Was it fun? Fun? Yeah!
Say good morning.
Good morning. I can swim without floaters.
Are you sure? Professional swimmer.
on our second day at Yas Island, we visited our favorite water park here in the UAE, Yas Waterworld. It has more than 40 slides that the whole family can enjoy. Currently, they are open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Saturday.
Yeah, you win! High five! High five! High five!
We let Gabriel get familiar with the water play area for little ones, then float away in their wave pool and around their lazy river before Neil and I alternately tried out the slides and rides while one of us watched over Gab.
Nice work! Wow!
Neil rode a suspended roller coaster that has water and laser special effects. also took a plunge at their serpentine slides with its twists, turns, and drops. Some portions of some of the slides are really dark. I get actually scared at this point where I thought I was stuck. On the other hand, Gabriel enjoyed at the kids' water slides over and over and over again. You can just put a price on those smiles. Next week, we'll take you to the home of the world's fastest roller coaster, Ferrari World Abu Dhabi. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
For watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.